from this to this. So guys, I have here the O2O Lightweight and Seamless Concealer. Apply na natin itong concealer in the shade 01. Grabe yung formula nitong bagong concealer ng O2O guys. Ang ganda niya, sobrang seamless. And pag na-set mo siya ng maayos, talagang hindi talaga sila nag-crease. Iba talagang atake ng mata mo sis kapag meron kang concealer under eye. O, diba sis? This is with and this is without. Cover up ang aking dark marks. Let's do this. Gagawin natin siyang spot corrector. Ayan. Bend mo lang sis. Asa na ang pimple mo, te? Asan na? Nakita mo tong dark spot na to, te? Takpan natin ito. And then sis, blend mo lang yan. Asan na? Asan na? This is with... This is without. Compare natin kung talagang mako-cover up niya to, sis. Again, I'm using